Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper that hit the Hugging Face trending list just yesterday, on May 27, 2026, tackles a major hurdle in getting AI models to use external tools effectively. The paper is titled Agent Explorative Policy Optimization for Multimodal Agentic Reasoning. This work builds on the trend of using reinforcement learning to help multimodal large language models handle complex tasks, where standard training often struggles with the asymmetric gap between internal thinking and external actions. By focusing exploration right at the moment a tool is called, this paper shows how an 8 billion parameter model can achieve an average score of about 76% on a metric called pass at 4, which measures how often the model finds a correct solution within 4 attempts. Remarkably, this performance surpasses a much larger 32 billion parameter-based model while using 4 times fewer parameters. We will see how they manage to restructure the training process to achieve this efficiency without blowing up the computational budget. Figure 1 illustrates how agent explorative policy optimization narrows the performance gap across model scales. In the left panel, the average pass at 1 metric, which measures the percentage of correct answers on the very first try, rises steadily for our method. Moving to the right panel, we see the average pass at 4 metric, where the 8 billion parameter model, trained with agent explorative policy optimization, surpasses the 32 billion parameter base model. Figure 2 details the mechanics of this approach by comparing standard group relative policy optimization, a group-based reinforcement learning algorithm, with our method. On the left, standard training struggles because when a tool call is attempted, the entire group often fails, leaving no useful learning signal. On the right, our approach fixes the thinking prefix and resamples the tool call and continuation, which successfully recovers a correct path. Figure 3 diagnoses the core issues behind the thinking-acting gap. Panel A illustrates that tool use remains a minority of rollouts during training. Meanwhile, Panel B reveals that when the model does attempt tool use, those subgroups suffer from a high all-wrong rate of over 40%, which kills the learning signal. To fix this, Panel C measures semantic clusters, which group similar tool calls together, showing that resampling from a fixed prefix preserves highly diverse attempts. Table 1 highlights how agent explorative policy optimization delivers consistent improvements across multiple scales. Looking at the block for the largest model trained here, our approach achieves an average score of 62%. This average is close to the 63% achieved by the much larger base model, because targeted tool exploration makes training highly efficient. Looking closely at the perception tasks, we see a massive gain of nearly 6 percentage points on the Visual Pro benchmark. Table 2 details an ablation study, which is a test where we remove components one by one to see what matters. Removing the prefix fix drops the average pass at 1 score to 52%. Additionally, leaving out the uncertainty ranking reduces the average pass at 4 score to 66%. Ultimately, our full agent explorative policy optimization method performs best, achieving a 70% average on the pass at 4 metric. Table 2 demonstrated how removing key components hurts performance. Figure 4 shows how our design choices actively reverse the thinking-acting gap. In the left panel, the tool use rate under agent explorative policy optimization climbs to nearly 60%. The middle panel shows the tool all-wrong rate, dropping to about 20%. Finally, the right panel plots the per-tool restore rate, which means the percentage of failed tool attempts successfully rescued by resampling, showing a steady recovery rate of 12%. Figure 4 showed how targeting the thinking-acting gap changes training dynamics. Ultimately, this approach proves we can train highly capable agentic models without massive computational overhead by focusing exploration precisely at tool calls. And that is a wrap. I am Alex from the AI Research Roundup. Thanks for tuning in.